Welcome. In this video, you'll learn how to manage and respond to live customer messages inside the Conversations module of WAM Axiroz. This is your shared inbox. It brings in real-time chats from all connected channels like WhatsApp and Telegram. It helps agents handle replies efficiently from one place. Click on a contact to open the full chat history. You can view messages, see their assigned tag or campaign, and reply immediately. You can respond using text, emojis, templates, or quick replies. If enabled, you can also send files, images, or audio directly to the contact. And that's how you use the Conversations tab in WAM Axiroz. It's your single place for all customer chats, keeping things fast, professional, and organized.